My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Gold. This ransomware, by the way, is from the Xorist ransomware family. It encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Unfortunately, some computers are vulnerable before the ransomware attacks, and pretty soon this ransomware from the Xorist family called Gold may be pretty easily injected into the computer, so users may suddenly realize that they cannot access their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this special crypted extension to the file names, and whenever people try to open this specific file, they get a strange message indicating that the files are encrypted. In my case, unfortunately, I see this text with some really unfamiliar symbols, so I cannot really understand what it's all about, but I know what it's all about. It tells the victims that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. We urge you not to pay that ransom and not to waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin. Please pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware with this anti-ransomware feature. It also helps to protect the files, but it does not decrypt files. You may find a special link in the description to this video, which will contain an article that will give you more information on ways to possibly recover your data that got encrypted by this ransomware.